Hi and welcome. In today's video, I would like to give you some tips how you can create your own beautiful reference photos for your artwork. If you're wondering what you should think about, what's important, then that video is right for you. I also invite you to join my free 3 days online drawing workshop, September 2nd to 4th. You can find the link below to sign up. I would love to see you there. It's an amazing community. You get support, feedback. It's a live drawing workshop. It's online. Sign up below, and I hope I see you there. Here I have some tips for choosing a perfect reference photo for your portraits. Choose sharp, detailed photos. The more detailed, the better. The more details you can see, the better your results will be. Make sure that the resolution is high so that you can print the photo out or enlarge it on the screen. I like to enlarge it on my cell phone too. Details such as eyes, fur, hairs and so on should be clearly visible. On the left side here, the dog has lots of details in the fur. You can see lots of highlights and reflections. You can see the eyes and all the detailed things. On the right side, the photo is blurry and not sharp and you can't see any details. It would be very difficult to draw this reference here on the right side. So if you can, then choose a sharp photo from the beginning on. The animal should not have any fleshed eyes, so make sure that the photo was taken outdoors and you can see lots of light reflections in the eyes. On the picture here on the left side, the eyes are fleshed. You only can see white dots in the middle of the eyes. You can't see the pupil or highlights or the details of the iris. That's not good for drawing. On the right side, this dog has wonderful highlights in the eyes. You can see the pupils, the color of the eyes, all the details in the eyes and so on. So please prefer a photo that has no fleshed eyes. The animal should be photographed from the right angle, not from above, but at eye level. So please make sure that you take your photo on eye level. You can go down on your knees and take the photo on eye level. Here the picture on the left side was taken from above. The photographer was in a standing position and took the photo downwards to the dog. The dog looks upwards, and so he has a very narrow chest and small little paws. That looks really unnatural, and if you draw that picture, it will look very funny. Perhaps you want to draw such a funny look, but normally that's not I would not recommend it for a realistic animal portrait. I would prefer such a photo like this one here on the right side. The photo was taken on eye level. The photographer went down on his knees and took the photo. You can see here correct proportions. The photo was taken from the right angle, and yes, I would prefer this one to draw. Here you can see it again. The photo should not be taken with a wide angle because that creates very unrealistic proportions, which can look very funny on the portraits. Especially when you are drawing horses and the photo was taken with a wide angle, you get very, very long noses, very, very long heads and narrow chests. So this Haflinger horse here on the left side has a very long head and a very small, narrow chest, and that would look funny and not natural on your animal portrait. So please prefer such a reference photo like this picture here on the right side. The proportions are correct and natural. The head and the chest is much more wider, and the head is not too long. So please prefer a photo like this one on the right side. The photo should also not be too dark, not photographed in the shadow, best photographed outdoors, and you should be able to see a lot of light reflections in the eyes and on the fur. So on the left side, this photo is way too dark. You hardly can see the eyes, and you can't see fur details and so on. Of course, you can lighten up this photo with an editing program like Photoshop or something like that. But then you perhaps can see some details, but I would recommend to use a sharp, detailed photo with good lighting from the beginning, like this one on the right side. There you can see a lot of details and reflections and highlights, and all the colors are visible. So please use a good quality detailed photo from the beginning on, then you will have much more fun with the drawing process. Okay, so I hope these tips are helpful for you to create your own beautiful reference photos and then draw them. If you are interested in learning more about drawing animal portraits with pastels, I invite you to join my free 3 days online drawing workshop. I show you how to draw a beautiful leopard eye and black and white fur. You can sign up in the link below. I'll see you there, and then I hope I see you in the next video here on my channel. If you have any questions, pop them below in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. Wish you a lot of fun with drawing.